Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I don't know how it takes time to get ready.
Really? What concern with this at the moment?
Yeah. It takes time.
Your life?
Wow. Well, Edo Festival and Awards 2021, the very 10th anniversary of it, made something great for different reasons. And tonight we're going to let you know what made the 10th edition stand out. But just before we get going, we're going to toast and cheers to a wonderful success of Edo Festival and Awards 2021, the 10th anniversary. We say, hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray! And to everyone that actually attended, even the ones that didn't attend.
We say salute.
We double our heart for you. Thank you very much. Well, we know that you're all conversant with the faces here, but for the benefit of the doubt, we're just gonna have a very brief introduction of every one of us that are here tonight. So take it away, Ken.
My name is Ambassador Ken Ude, founder Edo Festival Award, and trying to do the intro, but I want to introduce yourself.
My name is Kimberly Lawani. I bet you all know that already because I was all over the place, right? I'm Team Edo Festival and Awards.
Yes, my name is Richie John Onaiwu, known as Richie Rich Global, part of the team as well.
Yeah, my name is Ambassador Sazuo Amede. He'll become an ambassador on Saturday. of Sazuo Amede Multimedia. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. I'm Cultural Ambassador Joseph Ehigam. So I say double ambassador now because on the nights as well, I was privileged to be honored with the Ambassador for Culture and Peace at the instance of Edo Festival and Awards 2021. Hooray! So let's get talking, guys. Thank you. Okay, let's get going. Ken, 10th edition Edo Festival and Awards. It went down. It was all buzzy and a lot of fun.
Yes.
What you got to say about it?
I just want to say, first of all, we want to thank God Almighty for making Edo Festival and Award 10th edition, 10th anniversary a huge success. And I want to thank the general public, thank everybody that make a time to attend, even the ones that could not attend. We understand. All I have to say, thank you very, very much. We appreciate you.
In addition to what AMB JJ Vary just said, the founder of Edo Festival and Award, like I said, my name is Kimberly Lawani. I just want you guys to know that we love you. We love the turnout. We were amazed. I was actually perplexed by the show of love and support. We can't say thank you enough. We appreciate everyone, each and every, the people that were calling, the people that couldn't make it. Well, we appreciate you regardless. We say thank you to the general public. Thanks for all your support, the teamwork as well. We can't just say thank you to the general public. Without the team,
there was
no event.
Of course not.
It was personal. It was as if this was something. It was personal. So we all put in all in all. And then I say thank you to you guys because without you also, there's no event. It was Edo Festival and Award 10th edition. It was amazing. I had fun. I believe everybody and the feedbacks I've been getting was super. But then having said that, we welcome feedback, whether positive or negative. For room for improvement.
That's
yeah.
right. There's always
Thank you.
room for
Thank
improvement.
you, everyone. You guys did a great job.
When we say team, team together, everyone achieves more.
Akube.
Oh, team in one egg. Oh, dear. Wagimara said, Right, okay.
Sorry,
Now,
just in addition, I would like to personally thank those people that came from Nigeria
Yeah.
because this event. Like I was told the name from Nosaret, Mama Parts,
Oflex.
Oflex,
Nasty.
Nasty,
Yeah.
and the rest team as well of the band. The rest,
Maris Siam.
Marisiamu.
Yeah.
Then we'll start from as well Vivi Melody,
Ambassador Destiny Bagua.
Destiny Bagua,
Bagua.
Yeah.
Bagua.
Skimming,
Kizo.
Kinzo,
Wonderful Twins.
Wonderful Twins, Beckley's.
Okay.
Okay. So if you can't remember your names, but we really
OZ
appreciate
from
First OZ.
First OZ, thank you. First OZ, and then
and
the rest
24
went-
beats as well.
24
Big
beats,
big
yes.
wife.
And the
to
wife.
his wife, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Miss-
especially the bands that makes the events very special and entertaining. So the guys that were on that stage that night,
The
We appreciate
guest,
everyone.
the guest MC, was it Tomorrow or what was it called?
Tururu.
That guy was good.
Oh
man.
my God.
OJB,
OJB.
OJB Don Nice,
Don't know
and
how to
everybody
do
else.
that, yeah.
So we
In fact, we're not be able to mention all
everyone.
names, but
Yes.
remember, you are in our hearts. You know, we appreciate you big time. You know, now that night was so unique, very different from the previous edition anniversaries of the festival for so many reasons. Omega Multimedia, you were there at the gate.
Yeah,
A lot of things happened. So tell us, what was it? What gave it that seamless flow? You know, there were no qualms, there
Yeah,
were no
the-
quarrel.
what I would say is
Buzz,
God's
buzz.
hand
Was involved.
was involved.
Hmm.
You know, because from the beginning to the end, everything went well as planned.
Yeah.
So if you do any say Wawese, I really want to appreciate everyone that came, you know, because it went just as planned. Although there's always room for improvement, of course, but everything was really good. I like to sing this. Uwa we man, uwa we o, uwa we nije, ewe duwa, o ma merio, ewe duwa, o ma merio. The festival and the award team says, Wawesi.
We're grateful.
Salute.
We're grateful, yeah.
Salute,
Salute,
you.
salute, salute.
Those from Manchester,
Yeah,
Leeds.
Manchester
and
squad.
Europe.
Europe.
You
Europe,
know,
Leeds,
I mean,
everywhere.
like, you guys were just amazing.
You all rock.
Love
You
all
all
the
rock.
way. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much. Now, don't forget, you know, 2021 10th anniversary all along was meant to be a 3-day power-packed event, right? Now, for some logistical reasons, we delivered 1 over 3. There was meant to be a welcome and networking party,
Yeah.
and there was meant to be a party in the park on Sunday.
On Sunday.
And for some reasons,
We
we have to save the best for the
Last.
That's
right.
a fact.
Now, Rich,
Yes,
tell us what's new?
yes.
Break the news.
But first, I'll have to apologize for that 3 days event not to take place like what we pre-planned before. So it was a thing beyond our own control, as I said earlier. Yes, we are still doing it. That's the good news about it. We couldn't achieve those 3 days events. Reason being because of first, our main artists, or some of our artists rather, couldn't confirm or pick up their passports on time.
Yeah.
So, but we have good news today, which is today Monday. A couple of them have already picked up, and they will all issue the working visas.
Thank God.
So now we're going to reschedule it.
You
We're
mean
going to
it's
do it.
still
Yes.
it's still boiling
Of
now.
course.
So we're going to do it. We're going to
Of
do
course.
the network and the welcome
and
party.
network,
I believe that will be next 2 weeks, Friday, which is on the 8th of October. Then the main music event will not be
On
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 the
the
9th
9th
of
What
October.
do you
Then the
call
good
it?
thing
What do you call
now,
it?
we now have to rename
Yeah.
everything
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
Edo,
So it's now
Music.
called Edo Music
Festival.
Festival. What a great unique name.
Wow.
So
Edo
listen,
Music
listen,
Festival.
listen. From Edo Festival and
And
Awards to Edo Music Festival. Wonderful.
No music, no life.
And that day of the night is gonna be music.
Dance.
Dance.
Go and tell those
Yes.
that I've not heard.
So maybe there might be a bit of comedy with the MCs and
Yeah,
all
sure,
that. Maybe
sure.
just for a
repeat
break.
It's all
the
good,
name.
all
I like the
music.
So
sound of
no, the name is called Edo
Music.
Music Festival.
Festival.
Come and dance.
Music, come and dance.
Dance
So
all
it's
day.
very exciting. You know, it's been a journey, but thank God we're here. And it will not be a Thanksgiving, which is to end the whole show of
Yeah,
this Edo
of course.
Festival.
Yeah.
So I believe with this one and with obviously now we're a bit rested, so we're gonna have a lot of strength. I think we're gonna party all night.
Energy.
The energy is gonna be crazy.
From Friday to
Yes.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Hey!
It's gonna be
Full
crazy.
vibe, full vibe.
So
I can't wait.
in the next few days we're gonna announce the artist
Yeah.
At the venue as well.
and the venue.
No,
The time.
once they start coming
It's on.
on, we'll be on live with them as
One
well.
day, comfortable
As they
shoes.
arrive.
Before they
Comfortable
arrive,
shoes.
once the rest of them pick up their passports, we'll have to announce some of the names,
Yeah.
so that people understand that it worth it to go and take holiday.
Of the.
It worth it to buy ticket from Europe to come down to UK.
Of course.
It worth to buy ticket from US to come down to UK.
UK.
It worth to buy ticket from Canada to come down to UK. UK is gonna be on fire that way.
Hey!
Heard Richard Rich, he said it's worth it. It's
UK
worth
on
it.
fire.
You want to give any expo?
No.
Just one?
I'll let that with JJ. No, JJ is very good in terms of expo. So JJ, so do the expo.
Kimberly, you said they should go and get a comfortable shoe.
because-
Mr. Comcom said something the other day, right?
Don't talk about the waist
I don't
have
want
your,
it to go
if you
there.
have your heels, you know,
Backup
if you
plan.
wear your heels, get your back up,
Yeah, yeah.
up
Yes,
in the
flip
back,
up on the
and
side.
you can dance yourself, dance the night away because it's gonna be all celebration.
It's gonna be
Yes,
awesome,
yes,
yeah.
yes,
Okay.
all the way.
Wonderful. Well, you know, without much ado, a lot has been said. Want to further appreciate all of you who made it happen. Scripturally, it says, where there are no vision, the people perish. But I equally say, where there are no people, the vision perishes.
Yes.
So where there are no people, there will be no festival. Okay, so we value you, we appreciate you. Everything that you have done, we appreciate all of you. If we can celebrate all year through, why not?
Exactly.
After all, COVID has kept us in.
Something more? Oh, we're done. We're done?
No, but basically, for the general public and for the audience, because it's Edo Festival 10 years anniversary, that's the reason why the event is not finished. It's not for
Just
one day.
yet.
event.
Yeah.
So we're celebrating till October, which is the Black History Month, and we're still going to continue.
Okay.
And for the expo Mr. Richie was talking about, you guys just look out for that. Please, maybe from that to Wednesday, we will start giving you the names. But trust me, it's something you don't want to miss. It's I know that it's something that you will take off for, because
And I want to use this opportunity to reach out to, you know, our larger community, okay? Because we've heard loads of feedback. Some people missed the event for some reason, okay? But now we have about a 2 weeks window,
Yeah.
okay? A 2 weeks window to prepare for this. So we'll reach out to you as best as possible, but watch this space. The information will be rolled out, as has been said, as the guests, artists, as they land, they will be showcased.
yes,
You will hear it from the horse's mouth. It will not be reported speech, it will be direct speech.
Yeah.
Okay, because they'll be speaking for themselves, right?
yes. But the good thing about this one is not just going to be only London now. It's going to be
True.
London,
Manchester.
Birmingham, Glasgow, and Leeds.
Yeah.
And Dublin will come in as well.
By His
Okay.
grace.
That's by the grace of God. Be there or be square.
We don't know if things are possible. Right, thank you so much.
Thank you,
everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. You were the left.